Hello, hope everybody is doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add and edit image banner on Shopify. For example, you can see the image banner right here on my Shopify store. I'll be showing you how to add it and also how to edit it. The first thing you will need to do is go onto your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to tap on Online Store. Once you have tapped on Online Store, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, once you're on the themes page, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Customize right beside the theme that you're using. Once you have tapped on Customize, you will be redirected to the Editor page. Once on the Editor page, all you will need to do now is go over to the left-hand menu option. Then you are going to see Header, and below that you are going to see Template. Then you are going to see Image Banner. All you would need to do is tap on the image banner. Then from there you will see the option First Image, and you will see the option to add image. So for example, if I wanted to add an image, I could tap on Change right here. Then you can either tap on Select from Library, meaning an image that you have uploaded before on your Shopify store, or you could tap on Explore Free Images. Once you have tapped on Explore Free Images or an image that you have uploaded before, you can go into that section, and from there you can choose an image that you would like to use. So let's say, for example, I would like to change it to this image. I could do that by tapping on the image. Then you are going to tap on Select. Once the image has been saved, you can scroll down, and from there you can also add a second image. So let's select a second image real quick. Again, we'll tap on Explore Images. Then again, I'm going to use the coffee. Then from there, I can select the image that I would like to use. So let's say, for example, I would like to add this image. So I'm going to tap on it, then tap on Select. Another thing that you can also do, once you have added the images, you will see an option that says Edit. You could tap on that. Once you have tapped on Edit, you are going to see a box pop up, as you can see right here. So if you would like to set a focal point, all you would need to do is simply tap and drag the section that you would like to be the focal point, and you can see the focal point has now been added. You can also add alt text if you want. So you could add the alt text right there. Once it is finished, you could tap on Save. And you can do that with both images. So you can do that with both images right here. I could tap on Edit again, and I could do that. Another thing that you can also do, if you would like the banner size to be changed, let's say you want it to be smaller, you could tap on Small, and you can see that the size has changed. If you would like it to go to medium, you could tap on Medium, and this is the medium size. By the way, let me preview the sizes for you. So if I were to tap on Small, tap on Save, then go back onto the store preview and refresh the page, you can see that the banner size has changed, as you can see right there. Again, let we go back into Editor, and from here, if you would like it to be medium, you could go onto medium right there. Then by going down, you will see the option Desktop Content Position. You could tap right there, and from there you can decide where you would like the desktop content to be positioned. So if you like it top left, center, or so on, you can also do that. And you can also change the alignment if you don't want it to be center. Let's say you want it to be left. As you can see now, it is to the left. If you would like it to be to the right, you can change it to the right, as you can see right there. But I prefer it in the center, as you can see there. And also, if you would like to show the container, so let's say, for example, I were to tap on Show Container, and you can see that the text now has a background color, as you can see right there, at least for the desktop. If you would like to also show if you'd like to also show the text container for mobile, you can do that by scrolling down. Then for example, you will see show container right here. You could tap on that. For example, if I were to untick it and go over to the top right hand section and tap on mobile, you can see that the text does not have a background color on mobile. To add the background color, all we'll need to do is simply tap on show container on mobile. Then if I were to tap on the mobile preview again, you can see that it now has a background color. So you can do that right there. You can also change this color scheme if you want by simply going over to color scheme. Then you could tap on edit. So if you like to change the background color, you could tap on background. Let's say you like to change it to blue. You could do that, and you can see that the background color has now changed to blue, as you can see right there. So it is now blue, as you can see right there. And if you'd also like to change the text color, you can do that by tapping in the text box. Let's say I would like the text to be red. You can see that the text color is now red, as you can see right there. And you can do numerous colors if you want. You can change the different colors. If you like to also change the button color, you can do that. Right where you see solid button background, you could tap right there. And if you like to change it, for example, to green, you can do that. There are numerous editing options you can choose from. Once everything is to your liking, we'll simply tap on the X right here. And again, remember to save all of your changes. Once you make them, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and tap on save. Also, if you would like to add an animation, you can do that. So let's say, for example, you would like the image to move. You could tap on ambient movement, and you can see right there that the image is slightly moving. Also, if you would like it to be in a fixed background position, you could tap on that. So it will be one steady place. Also, if you would like it to zoom in on scroll, you can do that by tapping on zoom in on scroll. And you can also change the alignment on mobile if you want. Or if you would like to stack the images on mobile, you could do that. So if I were to tap on stack images on mobile, then go over to the top right hand corner and tap on mobile, you can see right here how it looks. Because remember that we had chosen two image background. So you can see the first option right here, and you can see the second option right there. Now if I were to remove stack images on mobile, you will realize that you see both images right here. It now has a split. So once everything is to your liking again, all you'll need to do is tap on save. And by the way, if you would like to make this link clickable in the button right there, you can simply tap on the button. Then from there, you can change the button text if you want by simply going over to the left hand menu option right here. If I wanted to change the text, I could change the text, as you can see right there. You can also change the page link if you want. So instead of it linking to all products, let's say you would like it to link to a particular product, you could tap on products, then select the particular product that you would like it to link to. So once someone taps on this link, that is what it will automatically go to. And you can also add a second button if you want, and from there you could also add the link if you want. Another thing that you could also do, let me go back to the image banner right here. Again, from here we could tap on edit. Once you have tapped on edit, again, as I shown you earlier, remember that you can add a focal point if you want, and you can also add alt text if you want. And that's basically it. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on save. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to add image banner on Shopify, and also how to edit image banners on Shopify. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thanks for watching.